Installation, the final phase of your ice panel project. Once your ice panels arrive on site, we work with you to ensure a successful installation. If you are new to ice panel installation, our technical customer service rep will connect with you. They'll start with scheduling your virtual install training session. This usually happens over a Microsoft Teams video call, where your technical rep will review your connection details with you. They will go over the installation steps and answer any questions that you may have. In-person training can be provided as well at an additional charge. Ice panel installations require review and approval before the panels can be backfilled and drywalled. To review the ice panel installation and provide written confirmation, installation photos must be sent to Greenstone for review. An on-site inspection by an authorized Greenstone rep may also be required. A confirmation letter will be provided to you for the project structural engineer of record. An engineering letter cannot be provided to you without an installation review by Greenstone. So before you cover your panels, be sure to follow the installation review process. Once you've received engineering approval, your ice panel assembly is finished and your project is ready for completion.